Hey, Mattias here. Why is it that every great film score or game score make use of chromatic mediants? In this video we're going to look at why every great composer make use of this music theory trick. So what is chromatic mediants? Now, chromatic mediants is used all over the place in Hollywood scores, and a really good example is the Howard Shore score to the series Rings of Power, and it goes something like this. And the chromatic mediant in this case is the C to the E minor. I actually made a complete breakdown video of the music theory behind the Rings of Power theme, so if you want to watch that episode, you can click the card up here. Now, a mediant, or sub-mediant, refers to the relative distance of a third interval, ascending or descending, from your reference pitch, your root or tonic. Hey, stop it, what's a third? If you're all new to music theory, a major third is 4 steps from your root note, so if you play a C as your root note, your major third will be 4 steps up. It will be an E, and respectively a minor third is 3 steps, so from the root note of C, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, E flat. Right, so if you want to learn more about that music theory basics, you can click the card up here and watch my previous video on the music theory in 5 minutes. Okay, so we're up to speed with the Hollywood composer, so let's put this little music theory trick into practice. So let's begin with the root note of A major and look at all the possible mediants and sub-mediants. Right, so that's the music theory trick of today. Use chromatic mediants. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please engage, write some comments, some questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!